Good morning, Year 2. This week we are on to a new topic, something we haven't really covered a lot of, which is problems involving money. Today we are looking at finding the total. What does total mean? I want you to have a think, and you can either email me or Miss Smith and let us know, or just jot it down or tell somebody at home. But the total is when you add things together and it's the amount you have at the end, so everything all together. So your anchor task, I want you to pause the video and have a go at these questions. So I want you to find the cheapest item, which two items cost the same, and which item costs £3. Then unpause the video and come back and see how you got on. Okay, so the cheapest item. Cheapest is the really important word here. Okay, so cheapest means costs the least. So which item costs the least? And that is the rugby ball. Which two items cost the same? So the same is the key part of that question. And it is the t-shirt, or the top, and panda. Cost the same. And which item costs £3? So you're looking for something that costs £3. And that is the flowers. Well done if you got all of those correct. Okay then, so we need to find the total. Jack is selling some things he no longer needs. If he sells all the things, how much money will he have? So we need to find out how much altogether these things cost. Now you can use your 5 times table to work out the total. But these don't cost £5. What do you notice about the vase and the ball? If you added those together, you would get £5. So if we said that these were £5 together, we could cross out that, and we could use our 5 times table. So it would be 5, 10, 15. Remember, it's really important when you are using money that you remember the pound sign. So it is £15 all together. Okay, so you would do 3 add 2 to make the £5, which is exactly what we did, and then 5 add 5 add 5 to make 15. If you had £7, which objects could you buy? So you need to find the total of objects which can make £7. So this is what we call trial and error. So you can go through and try all of the t-shirt with all of the things, the panda with everything, the ball with everything, the vase with everything, which is absolutely fine. Or you can use your number bonds to 7. I know that 5 and 3 make 8, so I cannot buy the top and the vase, or the panda and the vase. We already know that 3 and 2 make 5, sorry, not 7, because we did that before. So I can't buy those objects together. So that must mean 5 and 2 make 7. So if we know that 5 add 2 makes 7, which items are £5 and £2? So I'm going to highlight them. So the t-shirt is £5, the panda is £5, and the ball is £2. So the combinations I could buy the top and the ball, or I could buy the panda and the ball for £7. Teddy and Annie are playing shopkeepers. Teddy would like to buy a strawberry, which will cost him 20p, and a marble, which will cost him 35p. How much is it going to cost? So remember, we look at our ones first. So we know that in our ones column, there is going to be do our tens and ones column because it always helps. In our ones column, there is only going to be a 5, isn't there? Because there's nothing in this ones column but a 5 in this one. So let's change the colour so it makes it easier for you to see. So in this column you're going to have a 5, and then in the tens column I've got a 2 and a 3, and I know that 2 and 3 make 5. So it is going to cost them 55p. Rosie, Eva and Amir have some money. They'd like to buy some of Jack's items. Rosie would like a t-shirt and some flowers. Eva would like the panda and some flowers. How much do they spend? Amir has £1. What can he buy? So there are 3 different questions here. I would like you to have a go and work it out for me, please. And then you can come back and see how you got on when I go through it. So, Rosie would like a t-shirt and some flowers. So the t-shirt is £4 and the flowers are 75p. So we need to add £4 add 75p. That's really straightforward. So Rosie would spend £4, because there's 4 in the pounds column, and then 75p in the pence column. So Rosie would spend £4.75. Eva would like the panda and some flowers. So this time we need to add £5 for the panda and 75p for the flowers. So in my pound column, I've still only got £5 because there are £0 in 75p. And then in my pence column, I've just got the 75p because there are no pence in £5. So she spends £5.75. Amir has £1. What can he buy? So you needed to have a look and see which items are £1 or less. So he cannot buy a t-shirt, cannot buy a panda, he could buy some flowers, and he cannot buy the ball. So Amir can buy some flowers. Okay, I want you to have a go at this. So using the bar model, 20p add 74p makes 94p. Have a go at filling in these 2 bar models. What is the total that sits in the top bar, okay? So you've got £4 and 70p. So you've got £4.70. And then you've got 50p, 2p and £3. Now we know that the pounds come first, so let's do our pound column. So we've got £3, and then we've got 50p, add 2p, which is 52p. Well done if you got those correct. Okay, the questions on the bronze sheet today. You need to add up the total amounts for these coins and words. You need to match the amount to the total. You've then got to choose the amount here and complete the part whole model. Silver, you are doing questions 1 to 3 on the silver and gold sheet. So Annie wants to buy some new toys and you've just got to find the different totals, and then at the end she's got £9 and you need to circle the items or write them down, the different items she could buy with her £9. You need to work out how much Whitney spends at the cinema and then complete the statement. Gold, you are doing questions 4 to 6 on the silver and gold sheet. So you've got some of the bar models to have a go at. Remember, our pounds column is first, then our pence, and you separate them with a decimal point. Question 5, Ron has this money in his hand and he's got 29p in his pocket. How much does he have altogether? So you need to work out how much this is and add it to 29p. I would use a number line for that. And then question 6, Dexter, Tommy and Alex and Rosie are going shopping. You need to work out the different totals, okay? And platinum, you need to work out if the children are correct when they are buying things. You then need to answer the statements. So, for example, here Kelvin is counting his money. He picks 4 of the amounts shown. 2 of them have the same value, and you need to tell me what the greatest total he could have and what the smallest total he could have. And the same here with Victor. And then Max and Eddie have got coins and notes. You need to tell me if Max has enough money to buy his pizza and if Eddie has enough to buy his ticket to the water park. If you've got any questions about anything, please email us and we will get back to you as quickly as we can. I hope you have a lovely day.